Palladium against US dollar has dropped in value, and we can see what has happened for several days. The price has formed a bearish candle, then bullish candle, and then we can see a strong bearish candles formed on the chart for the last 3 days, and the price has formed this bearish breakout below to 974.955. On the weekly time frame, we can see how this looks. After the price has reached this resistance level, the price continued to fall down, and it is very close to 237.50, which is a support level for the price. On the monthly time frame, this is currently a bearish candle, and we have 2 more days until this month ends. We'll see how this candle will close. Will the support level at 937.50 hold and prevent the price from falling even more down, or we will see a breakout indicating further decline down on the monthly time frame. So we have 2 more days to see how the price behaves, but we can see this month it is the second month for the price that the price could not make a bullish breakout above 1089. For the weekly time frame, this is just the range area where the price currently is, and it's very hard to predict will the price continue to fall down or the price will continue to rise in value. So the price is bouncing for several weeks. We can see it here. There was some kind of bearish breakout, but it was a failed one indicating direction in the opposite way. So this has happened, and we can see currently the price is bouncing. It is the best to see on the daily time frame how this looks. We can see how the price behaves around these price levels, and currently what I can see the next week I am expecting the price to reach this one here. It's very clear, and it's obvious for me at least, that the price will reach this area 937.50, and then we'll see what happens. But there is also a possibility that on a Monday the price returns back up to here, making this bearish breakout failed one, indicating further rise in the opposite direction. So we need to see how the Monday closes. The very important level is this one here for a Monday, just to hold the price from returning back up and making this bearish breakout as a failed one. So if the price stays below, this will be indication for the price that the price has currently in the downtrend, and where the next stop is around this area, lower side of this demand zone. So if there is any breakout happening on the market on the daily time frame, I will share that inside the Telegram group or with the traders. So the link will be below in the description. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.